we have been doing chapter 11 of your textbook ENTRE Jeunes, class 10. The chapter's name is C'est bon le progrès. It is at page number 93. The text of the chapter has been explained already. You can search for the video in the playlist. Now we move on to explaining the exercises contained in that chapter. Before moving forward, I advise you to solve yourself the exercises so that you can match your answers whether they are correct or not. So let's begin. This is at page number 94 of your textbook. This text has been explained already, as I said. Now come to à toi. Dis vrai ou faux. Marcel est médecin. Is it correct or not? So it is not correct because in the chapter, Marcel is informaticien, that is computer scientist. So the first one is faux. Second one, il travaille chez Macintosh. Does he work at Macintosh? Yes, he is at Macintosh. That is vrai. Third one, il est l'oncle de Danny? No. Il est cousin de Danny. He is cousin of Dennis. So this also goes faux. Moving on to page number 95. Fourth one. Il est allé à New Delhi avec un billet aller-retour confirmé. He has gone to Delhi with a ticket, return ticket, confirmed. Faux, because his ticket is not yet confirmed in the chapter. Fifth one. Il envoie un message à Pauline. Yes, he has sent a message to Pauline. So, vrai. Next one. Second. Trouve dans le texte la forme nominale de. So, you can see here, verbs are given. And you have to write down the noun forms. Form nominal. So, for confirmer, it is la confirmation. For voler, it is le vol. Retourner, the noun will be le retour. Attendre, the noun will be l'attente. Second one. Le contraire de. So you need to write down opposite of this. Premier, first. The last is dernier, dernière. Impossible. Remove the M and you get the possible. Third one. The verb au subjonctif. You need to search in the text two verbs that are in subjunctive form. Écris les infinitifs des verbes. You need to write down the infinitive of those verbs, which in the text are in the subjunctive. So you will see there is I, that is aller basically, and soi, that is être. Fourth one. Un mot qui veut dire. Regardez les sites web. That becomes vérifier. Fifth one, un mot qui veut dire courrier électronique. That means mail. Let's move on. Next page. À toi. Deux avantages d'Internet sont. Two advantages of Internet are, obviously, first is communiquer facilement. To communicate easily. Second one, on peut se détendre. We can relax ourselves, maybe by playing video games, etc. Second one, the inconvénients d'Internet sont. So there are two disadvantages also. You need to write down. Risque de devenir une addiction. So you can be addicted to Internet. And the other disadvantage is tendance de copier et coller. So we often need what we do on the Internet, we copy and paste. So that is also a risk because it makes us lazy, and sometimes we make mistakes also by just copying and pasting without applying our mind. Third question. Remplis les blancs. Fill in the blanks. First one. Internet est le réseau de communication. Réseau is network. So it is a communication network. Indispensable. We cannot do away with. Second one. On peut faire plusieurs activités sur Internet. Comme. So what activities we can do on the Internet? Le travail scolaire. We can do study work. The research. We can do research. The présentation. We can make presentations with the help of Internet. Et se détendre. We can relax with the medium of Internet, maybe by playing video games. Third one, les jeunes dépensent souvent. So the young people, the children, they spend often. What do they spend? Des heures sur Internet. Hours. Next one, un utilisateur d'Internet est désigné par le mot. One who uses the Internet is designated by the word, indicated by the word, and that word is internaute. Fifth one, si on passe trop de temps sur Internet, if we pass much time on the Internet, cela risque de devenir une. So there is risk of becoming une addiction. Next page. Here, some verbs are given and you are told that how to make present participles of these verbs. In English, you add ing to make present participle. So, aimer, how to make it? First, conjugate aimer with new form. You get aimo. Cut the ending ons. You get ami. AIM. And add ant. That is equal to ing of English. So ant, by adding ant, you get the participe présent in French. So aimer, to like, becomes aimant. That means liking or loving. Finir, again, you need to conjugate it with nous first to find out the stem. You get FINISS. Simply add AN to this and you get the participe présent. So it becomes finissant, finishing, finissant. Prendre, nous prenons. So it becomes prenant. Boire, it is nous buvons. So it becomes buvant. There are other exceptions also. For example, être. So you cannot find the stem by the conjugation of nous. You need to remember it directly. So être becomes étant. Avoir becomes ayant. And savoir becomes sachant. What is the use of these participles, present participles? You can see in the sentences. Example. Pauline n'a-t-elle pas pu venir? Non. Étant malade, elle n'a pas pu venir. Being sick, she could not come. So étant is being sick. Ali, qu'est-ce que tu es en train de faire? Sur la chaise. Sorry, this is m'asseyant sur la chaise, je me mets à lire. Seating myself on the chair, I am busy with reading. Quelle nouvelle de Dani? Ayant de la chance, il est parti en vacances en Grèce. So, ayant de la chance, in English we say being lucky. But in French we say having the luck. He has gone to vacation to Greece. So with the present participles, we can make gerondif by adding on, en, on. You can see how it works and what does this mean. Comment Akanksha a-t-elle eu de bonnes notes? Elle a eu de bonnes notes en travaillant dur. She got good marks by working hard. So by working, how will you say in French? By working, en travaillant. It becomes by working. Next example. Comment Kunal s'est cassé la jambe? Il est cassé la jambe en courant. He broke his leg while running. So, en courant while running. Next example. Quelles étaient les réactions de Nargis? Nargis s'est évanoui en attendant la nouvelle. Nargis fainted by hearing, en attendant, by hearing the news. Next page. This is the repetition. You can study. And then you get à toi, remplir la grille, donner ci-dessous. Verbe, boire, it becomes pouvons, and gerondif becomes on pouvant. Écrire, first you need to conjugate it with nous form, of course, and you get nous écrivons, and then you will make the present participle écrivant, and gerondif becomes on écrivant, by writing or while writing. Voir, to see, voyant. Gerondif, en voyant, by seeing, on seeing, or while seeing. Faire, faisant, en faisant. By doing, by making, or while making. Fifth is mettre, to put, mettant, en mettant, by putting, or while putting, en mettant. Next page. Corriger les phrases. So there are mistakes in the given sentences. You need to correct them. For example, for the first sentence says, je veux que vous venez. So, vouloir, it is only your wish. So, you need to use subjunctive form of the verb, which is veniez. Second one, on fait le brevet dans une université. So, on, the verb has been conjugated wrongly. Faire verb should be conjugated with on. That is ill-formed kind of thing. So, on fait, F-A-I-T. On fait le brevet dans université is also given wrong. It should be on college, because when we know the French education system, we come to know that brevet is given in the college, not in the university. Brevet is a degree or certificate, you can say. Next page. Third one. Pendant le retour, il eut beaucoup de problèmes. So there are two mistakes. O should be a, and problem, there is no accent mark. You need to put an accent mark also. Fourth one, Internet et le réseau informatique mondial. So mondial spelling has been written wrongly. There is only single L at the end. Fifth one, je souhaite que. Again, souhaite, I wish that Paul n'est pas absent. Paul not be absent. So simple present will not do here. Again, you need to use subjunctive form ne soit. Third question. Relie les phrases en utilisant le participe présent. So, avoir un problème de santé, Monsieur Dubois n'a pas assisté à la réunion. So, having a problem of health. So, how will you say having a problem? Ayant un problème de santé, and whatever. Second one. Again, ayant la bonne réponse, Julie a levé la main. Having the correct response, the correct answer, she had. So, having the correct answer, she raised her hand. Third one, étant un policier, being a policeman, il pose des questions à cet étranger. Lisant un bon roman, Isabelle a compris la valeur de la littérature. By reading a good novel, lisant un bon roman. Next one. Pratiquant régulièrement, les étudiants ont amélioré leur niveau de français. By practicing regularly, the students improved their level of French. Moving on to next question, fourth one. Mets les phrases suivantes au discours rapporté. So you need to put them in indirect speech or reported speech. Le prof dit ou demande aux élèves. The teacher asked or said. So you need to choose asked or said according to the need. It becomes first one. Finissez vos devoirs ce soir. Le prof dit. Non. Le prof demande aux élèves de finir leurs devoirs ce soir. Second one. Les devoirs sont bien importants. Le prof, now demande will not be used. It will be le prof dit que les devoirs sont bien importants. Third one. Avez-vous tout révisé vos leçons? Now he is asking. So you will use le prof demande aux élèves s'ils ont tous révisé leurs leçons. Fourth one. Les exemples s'approchent. Les examens s'approchent. So he said, not asked. Le prof dit que les examens s'approchent. Fifth one, it is with qu'est-ce que. So, qu'est-ce que vous avez fait hier soir? He is asking. So it will be, le prof demande aux élèves ce que ils ont fait. So qu'est-ce que will turn to ce que. Remember that. Fifth one. First sentence will be, il lui demande de leur montrer ses photos. Second one. Elle lui dit ce qui est arrivé à son ami. Third one. Je te demande si tu rentres du Sénégal. Fourth one. Ne payez pas l'addition. Fifth one. Le président de la République est élu par le peuple. Next page. Conjugue les verbes au gérondif. So here you need to conjugate the verbs in gerundive form. So it will be first one. En voyant l'incendie, nous avons téléphoné aux pompiers tout de suite. By or on seeing, while seeing the incendie is fire. On seeing the fire, we telephoned to the fire brigade. immediately. Second one, en voyageant souvent à Londres, il connaît bien tous ces quartiers. By visiting or by traveling often in London, he very well knows its streets, its areas. Third one, en recevant mes billets d'avion, je partirai à Paris. On receiving the plane tickets, I will depart to Paris. Fourth one, le chien a fait peur aux enfants en aboyant. The dog made the children afraid by barking. Fifth one, il a rencontré ses amis en allant à l'école. He met his friends while going to school. So this was gerontic form. The chapter is complete. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.